China's big dreams are taking off with the COMAC C919. The Commercial Aircraft Corporation of China, or COMAC, has huge plans. Their star airplane, the C919, is a big move to challenge the big companies like Boeing and Airbus. This narrow-body twin-engine plane is designed to compete directly with the Airbus A320neo and the Boeing 737 MAX. The C919 entering the market is a big deal for airplanes worldwide. It shows a new competitor in an area that only two companies have controlled for a long time. If the C919 does well, it could change the whole airplane industry. The C919 is important for China. It shows how good China has become at technology and that it wants to be a leader in airplanes. It's something they're proud of. Building this plane shows how strong China's factories are. The C919 project has helped China create new technology for airplanes, made lots of jobs, and helped the economy grow. 10 years of work from idea to reality. The C919 started in 2008 when COMAC officially began the project. This started a long, hard process with thousands of engineers, technicians, and other experts. The goal was simple: build a modern, fuel-efficient, and competitive passenger plane. This project had lots of problems, like not having much experience building big passenger planes. COMAC had to learn new technology, find companies to make parts, and meet strict safety rules. Even with these problems, the project kept moving. After years of research, design, and testing, the C919 flew for the first time in May 2017. This was a huge moment for COMAC and China. It showed that China could build a complicated airplane from nothing. After the first flight, they did lots more test flights. They flew the C919 in different weather and at different heights. These tests made sure the plane was safe and worked well. The information they got from these tests was important for getting permission to fly from the safety experts. Building a competitor design and features of the C919. The C919 shows how much COMAC cares about new ideas and saving fuel. The plane has advanced designs and technology, making it a good choice against other similar planes. Its shape, lightweight materials, and modern engines help it save fuel and fly well. The C919 can hold up to 190 passengers if it's all one class. The inside is designed to be comfortable and fun. Big windows give great views, and special lights make it relaxing. The plane can fly up to 5,555 kilometers or 3,452 miles. This lets airlines use the C919 for many different flights. It can connect big cities in China and also fly to some other countries. It can do lots of different kinds of flights. The C919 uses two CFM International LEAP 1C engines. These engines are known for saving fuel, not polluting too much, and being quiet. These engines are a big reason why the C919 is so good. They give it the power and fuel efficiency it needs to compete around the world. Section 4. Entering the market. Challenging the Boeing-Airbus duopoly. The C919 has shaken up the airplane industry, which Boeing and Airbus have controlled for a long time. These two giant companies have been in charge for decades. The C919 might change that. COMAC already has lots of orders for the C919, mostly from Chinese airlines. This shows that airlines in China believe in the plane. It also shows that more and more people in China are flying. Selling the C919 to other countries will be harder. The C919 will have to compete with the big companies. Boeing and Airbus are all over the world, know lots of airlines, and have great airplanes. COMAC will have to work hard. To sell planes to other countries, COMAC needs to be known for making safe and reliable planes and helping its customers. It also needs good prices. Selling to other countries is important for the C919 to be successful. Section 5. Overcoming hurdles, certification and technological reliance. The C919 is a big win for China, but COMAC still has problems. One big problem is getting approval from safety experts in other countries, like the FAA in the US and ESA in Europe. This approval is important for the C919 to fly all over the world. Getting approved is hard and involves following lots of safety rules. COMAC has been talking to these safety experts, but getting approved can take a long time. Another problem is that COMAC needs parts from other countries, like engines and computers. This could be a problem for the C919. Problems between countries or problems getting parts could slow down building the plane. To fix this, China is spending lots of money to build its own airplane parts. They want to depend less on other countries and do more themselves. China will probably do even more of this in the future. Section 6. Soaring to New Heights, the future of the C919 and Chinese aviation. The COMAC C919 could change the airplane world. If it does well, it would really change who is in charge, but COMAC still has problems to solve. The C919 needs to sell well in other countries and compete with the big companies. Getting approval from safety experts around the world is important. COMAC also needs to stop depending on other countries for parts. Even with these problems, the C919 is a big step for China. It shows how good their technology is and how strong their factories are. They want to be one of the best in the world at making airplanes. The C919 is something they are proud of. Building the C919 has changed China's airplane industry. It has helped create new technology, new jobs, and helped the economy. It also helps China build even better airplanes in the future. The C919 is just the start.